I wonder if I'm gonna get on Zoe.
I'm here.
Oh, it put me on Zoe.
Oh wow. What are the odds?
1 in 4.
Reloading.
An OKK-47. I love this gun. But every time I've had this, I've died in the first 2 minutes of this. So let's see.
So we should keep that going.
If I can keep the magic alive. Sounded like somebody shot a car.
What, there aren't any cars to shoot around here.
Major friends away.
I think there's a katana.
No, there's not.
What's under here then?
I believe the technical term is called.
Yeah, I swear to God.
We can burn down this barricade.
Oh no, there isn't.
Weapon over here.
I think it's actually called a stabby jappy sword.
Reloading.
Fuck me!
Look out!
I'm reloading.
Ooh, tactical fire. I like it.
The path is clear.
Oh god. Chainsaws are spooky.
Oh, that boomer. Tried so hard.
Weapons over here. Grabbing some pills.
That.
Fuck! Get me up so I can throw such a tank at the tank and get the achievement.
Get the fuck up.
Where is he?
Ooh, I'm gonna close this door.
Gotcha!
And the zombies will all attack him.
And he's on fire.
How dare you!
Oh god! Q doesn't do anything! Q doesn't do anything!
What?
Just keep circling, Mark. Just keep circling. Go back, go back, go back, go back. Back the other way. Nope.
I'm in trouble.
I am so used to QE strafe.
Q changes your weapon, E picks things up.
E is
A
fucking.
little help, please.
It's like fucking D and A and D strafe.
Hey Steve,
What's up?
Need
it's been a
some
really
help
long
over
time.
here.
And Tim's with us now, so I recommend
Help!
ponder our frail mortality out of the sky.
I need a
My tank is
hand,
dead.
people.
Hey Sonny,
That's probably the most depressing fact. Oh no,
Tim is
somebody's
pretty
up.
fucked, but you want to help me and Steve?
Assuming nothing catastrophic happens on my way over there.
I mean, given the way these runs have been going.
Sonny, I had a chainsaw.
I need some over here.
A lot of use it was, huh?
There was a tank.
I'm in trouble.
Why don't you use the chainsaw?
Gotta help the brother up first.
Ah!
Up and
Thanks,
out.
little white girl. Mm-hmm. Thanks, man.
I need some help over here.
I definitely just dropped the Kalashnikov. What the fuck was I thinking?
You're gonna be okay.
I think I had a health pack. I'm not sure.
Weapons. I feel terrible. Rest in peace, old man.
Need help, Steve?
Oh man. Come on, let me heal you up. Every damn thing.
Oh, look at you!
We
Yeah,
got
gun
weapons
sucks.
over here.
What?
Thought Tim's gun sucks.
What's the matter, question?
Tim, your gun sucks.
God damn it! I'm down. Ah! Help, please.
Whoop! Were you gooped?
Yeah.
Dark and sunny.
Are we using him as bait right now?
Yeah, this is as hard, difficult as it is for us.
Grabbing peels.
Grabbing pews.
Thanks, guys.
My plans.
Love you.
Desperate times calls for desperate.
Fuck up!
There's a witch like right there.
Pipe bomb?
No, but
Faster.
where you walk.
What? Stop it! Fucking go!
Nope, there's a jockey. I'm not waiting.
Real bad shape.
Tried to save you guys, something even worked out. Oh no, this is not gonna work out. Oh god, rip on, guys.
Tim, just run.
What did you do, Mark?
I was like, maybe if I
Mark
shoot
shot the car.
I was like, maybe if I shoot the car, they'll all like flood by me because I'm right next to the car that got shot. They're like, oh look, he looks tasty.
Just run, Tim.
Mother of mercy.
Life is so frail.
Foolish.
Oh, whatever.
Don't stop, Tim.
Oh no, she's outside.
Don't stop.
Lights off.
What was behind me? What was behind me?
Oh, that Charger tried so hard to be a hero.